brain feels like you have a browser with 47 open tabs and none of them will close, this video is for you. I'm going to show you one AI journaling prompt that helped me actually put some of those tabs down. Hey, I'm Tamberly, and this is Digital Wellness Journal, where we use AI and journaling to help women like you carry less and live more. No hustle over here, okay? No hustle talk, no bubble bath talk, just real tools for real life. And today I'm sharing the exact prompt I use when I feel like I'm drowning in mental load. You know, that invisible list of stuff that you're holding in your head and nobody sees it, but you feel it every single day. That. So let's get into it. Okay, so let me start off by saying something out loud. The mental load is real. It is very real and it is very heavy, right? Because it's not just the to-do list. It's the remembering that your kids got a field trip that's coming up and that form needs to be filled out. It's knowing that your fridge is running low and mentally trying to calculate when you can go by the grocery store between lunch break and picking up the kids. It's tracking work deadlines, side projects, and let's not even mention your partner, their schedule, and somehow trying to sleep at night. All of that. And the thing about it is, nobody assigned you the job. You just took it. Why? Because somebody had to, right? And here's what happens. When your brain is full, when it's full of all of that, you can't think clearly. You can't create. You can't even show up for yourself because every mental slot that's in your head is already taken. And that's what this prompt is designed to fix. So here is the prompt. Open up any AI tool of your choice, whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Manus, whatever you so choose to use. Open it up and type this. I'm feeling overwhelmed by everything I'm trying to hold in my head right now. Then you're gonna list your role. You're a mom, an office manager, side business owner, whatever fits. List your role. Help me to do a full brain dump. Ask me questions one at a time to pull out everything I'm mentally tracking. Work tasks, home responsibilities, personal goals, anything that's taking up space. Then help me sort it by what actually needs my attention today versus what can wait or be delegated. And that's it. That is the prompt. Now, what happens next is kind of wild, okay? The AI starts asking you questions. And as you answer them, you literally are pulling things out of your head and putting them somewhere else. And that is the goal, right? Get it out of your head. And you're externalizing your mental load. That's what this is. And once it's out, you can see it. And once you can see it, you can make decisions about it, right? Now, you're not supposed to be the only system managing your life. The prompt lets AI be your thinking partner. Not your replacement, but your support. And so once you've done the brain dump, ask your AI to sort everything into 3 buckets. Today, this is going to be what actually has to happen today, right? Not what feels urgent, but what needs to happen today. This week, what has a real deadline next week for the next 7 days. And then your later or let it go bucket. That's everything else. Things that can wait, things that you can ask someone else to do for you, things that you've been carrying, but honestly, don't even need to be on your list anymore. You can let it go. Now, that last category, that's where the relief really comes in. And when you see it laid out like that, you realize most of what's exhausting you isn't actually due today, right? You've just been holding it all in, and that's what it makes it feel like. It is urgent, it is due today, I gotta get it done. And most of the time, you don't. So, I want you to try this today, okay? Seriously. Not someday, but today. Even if you just got 10 minutes on your lunch break or after the kids go to bed, take some time and do it. And if you want the exact prompt written out so that you don't have to replay this video, I've got a free guide linked below. It has this prompt plus a few others that you can use every week. And if this resonated with you, subscribe, because every Sunday and Tuesday I'm here with more real tools to help you carry less. You deserve support that actually works. I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. If you're designing a life less loaded, subscribe and join the community. Drop a comment below. I read every single one. See you next time.